Hi Jack. Bye Jack. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I hope you're all well and safe. Not a clue what this is. I've got a few things coming. Just going to open it straight up. Like I said, I've got a few things coming, so when it's not labelled, I don't always know what it is. Ah, I know what it is now. It is a Lego gun. Not official Lego, but you know, Lego's Lego. Now, this isn't an exciting video by any means. All I'm doing is I'm just going to build it and speed it up just for the sake of it. Yeah, so as you can see, we took all the parts out and we have some instructions, albeit not the best instructions. I mean, it's basically a parts list more than anything, but you do have a basic guard, and we will follow that guard. Hopefully it's not going to take me all day. I've just realised that all these parts are numbered, and you'll put them together like that, basically following the numbers, and we are numbered on here on all these things, and we have numbers inside the pieces themselves, which is super handy. Okay, so I've got the handle done, and I did that pretty quick because it really is quite simple. Now that I know that they're all numbered, it's very easy and quick to do. Getting the springs in there was pretty tricky, but with a bit of perseverance, it wasn't too bad. Okay, so that's that done. Took me about 10 minutes or so. With these little ball bearings here. It's just a piece of rubbish. Get rid of that. And apparently, you pull back like so. You drop one of these in there, like so, and it'll fire. Apparently, maybe listen to it pinging around this kitchen that I'm in. So there we have it. Not too bad. There's a toy, there's a child's toy. I can't remember how much this was, but I'll put it on the screen for you. It's a decent stocking filler, if nothing else. And not too difficult to build. Thanks for watching. Links in the description. Bye.